What's the meaning of curator? Curator. Curator.
Curator. Curator. A curator is a person who is responsible for acquiring, organizing, and managing a collection of artworks, artifacts, or other objects. They are experts in their field and work to ensure that collections are properly preserved, documented, and displayed. Curators may work in museums, galleries, cultural institutions, or private collections. Their role is crucial in preserving our cultural heritage and promoting knowledge and understanding of art and history to the public. In short, curators are key figures in making sure that important cultural resources are accessible and available to the public.